Hello everyone, it's Lara. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. So this is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. So in this project we're working on 50 green items. So for me, my goal is to finish 50 green items. So for my last update I was up to 36 finished items. For this update, I was able to finish 4 more, bringing my total up to 40 finished green items. So the first thing I was able to finish was this primer from Wet n Wild. This is the Cucumber Primer. So I was there, and then I only had a little bit left, and I finished it. I wasn't crazy about it, so I didn't cut it open to scoop out the stuff stuck to the sides. It was just okay. It was very cooling, so I feel like this probably would have been better to use in the summertime. But yeah, that was just okay. Another thing that was just okay was this Moroccan oil for the hair. Didn't really notice that it made much difference with my hair, so just use that to use it. I also finished the body wash I was working on, so this is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. I'm actually not crazy about this scent. I usually really like vanilla scents, but for some reason this one I just thought was okay. I probably wouldn't get that scent again. And the last thing I finished was this face wash from Cetaphil. I think last update I only had the littlest bit down the bottom and I was able to finish it. I really like this face wash. So I have dry sensitive skin and it didn't irritate my skin or anything, and you can buy this at the grocery store, which is great, so I would definitely buy that again. Okay, so let me show you the progress on the stuff that I still have in the project. So I'm still working on this Suave conditioner, but it's definitely gotten very low. I would say it's probably down here, so this potentially could be done by next update. This could also potentially be done by next update. So this is the baby oil I've been working on. I've been very consistent, using it every day. I think last update I was up to here, like right below where this lettering was, and now I'm down to here. So based on that progress, I definitely think if I continue to use it consistently, I could finish this, which is great because I really want to get this out of my life. It's been kicking around the bathroom for years. Like, we got that when my nephew was a baby. My nephew is like 8 years old now, so it's time for it to leave. So next I have the O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand cream. I love this hand cream. If you have dry, cracked hands, this is great. And I love it because it doesn't have like a fragrance. I really hate putting fragrance on my hands. I don't really know why. It just bothers me. So that's why I extra like this one. So my hands aren't too bad, but I do try to use it before I go to bed at night. And sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't. So I would still say there's quite a bit left. Like, there's definitely a lot down the bottom. It's kind of hard to tell where it is because it's kind of thick, so there's still product up here, still a ton down there. But I have been using it. Next, I have the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover. This is almost done. Like, I feel like there's only maybe 2 or 3 uses left. It looks like it's to here, but most of it's just stuck to the sides. So there's really not a lot in there. I think this could be another potential thing done for next update. Next, I have the Cetaphil Eye Makeup Remover. So last update I was here, and now I'm down to here. So I like this eye makeup remover. It does a good job of removing my eye makeup and it doesn't sting or irritate my eyes, which is great. I would potentially buy this again. And I think I probably could have this done for next update. I don't use it every day though, so maybe. We'll see. Next I have the e.l.f. setting spray. I like this setting spray. It has a really really fine mist, like to the point where I don't really even feel it on my face. I've been splitting my time between this and another setting spray, so I don't feel like my progress is all that great for this update. So I was there, now I'm down to there. So still going along with that. I have 3 items that I haven't touched. So I have this Witch Hazel toner from Humphreys. I haven't started using this because I have a toner in my Women Who Rock project that I've been working on, and it's very close to being finished. So I think between now and the next update I will crack into this because that one is so close to being done. And then I haven't used either of these 2 lotion samples from Paul Mitchell's because I've been putting all of my focus in the baby oil, and I want this one done very badly. So once that's done, I'll use these. And last but not least is my nail polish. I don't think I used this a single time in the last month. I'm so sick of this color, and it's still pretty much at the top. And I have decided that I think I'm going to be taking this out. I think putting an OPI nail polish that is completely full in a project is a really bad idea. So I'm not going to do that anymore. So I'm going to actually replace that item with something that I think I could actually potentially finish, because I really want this project to be a finished project where I finish everything, 50 products. So I actually just got this. So I had gotten a gift card for Christmas and I used it to buy some things on Ulta, and I got an ad on Instagram for this because it was on clearance, and I was like, wow, that looks really cool, I want it. Now of course it looked way better in the ad, but it's like, can you see it? Like swirls of different colors. So this is from the brand Truly, and this is called the Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter. It's really cool, and as you can see, it does have swirls of green in it, so it does fit for the green. And my goal, of course, is to finish it. It smells interesting. I had a lotion, I forget what brand it was, like a body butter years and years ago, like when I was in college, that smelled exactly like this. And so I don't think this scent is very unique. It's kind of, I would think, generic. And also it says unicorn fruit, so I was assuming it was going to have a very fruity smell, which maybe there is a little hint of fruit in there, but I wouldn't immediately smell this and think fruit. But anyway, I'm putting this in, I'm taking this out, and that's that. So again, for this update, I'm up to 40 finished items. I have 10 more to go. I think I can do it. I think I can finish 50 items, which I'm so excited about. Anyway, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.